In a world where storytelling is more visual than ever, creators are constantly on the lookout for tools that empower them to share their stories with cinematic quality without lugging around an entire studio. Enter DJI's Pocket Series line of devices that have carved out a niche by offering gimbal-stabilized 4K video. In a form factor no larger than a chocolate bar, these tiny powerhouses have already revolutionized on-the-go filmmaking, and now, the long-anticipated DJI Pocket 4 is set to raise the bar yet again. The DJI Pocket 4 isn't just another refresh. It's shaping up to be a monumental leap forward, both in terms of hardware innovation and usability, based on credible leaks, insider tips, and emerging trends in the tech world. The Pocket 4 appears poised to challenge not only compact cameras but even more traditional rigs with what it brings to the table. Let's unravel the possibilities. A bolder, smarter exterior. The fourth-generation Pocket will reportedly feature a noticeably larger chassis compared to its predecessor, while still compact enough to fit in your jeans or jacket pocket. This added size may serve more than aesthetic purposes, likely needed to house a broader set of internals and a significantly enhanced display system. Ergonomically, the device is rumored to offer a more refined grip, with better button placement for intuitive use during active filming, whether you're walking through a bustling market or hiking on rugged terrain. The updated design aims to give creators greater control and comfort. The screen is another standout feature. If rumors hold, the Pocket 4 will showcase a 2.5-inch, rotatable touchscreen with improved resolution and brightness levels. This is a leap from the smaller panels seen in previous versions, promising better visibility in bright sunlight and greater ease when framing your shots or adjusting settings. A giant leap in imaging. The new sensor at the heart of every camera is its sensor, and this time, DJI is reportedly going all out. The Pocket 4 could arrive equipped with a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, representing a dramatic upgrade from previous models. But what does this really mean for users? More light, more clarity, more emotion. A sensor of this size allows for significantly better low-light performance, capturing scenes with greater detail and dynamic range. Whether you're filming in the golden hues of dusk, inside a dimly lit room, or under a city's neon glow, your footage will retain depth and fidelity. The lens system paired with this sensor is expected to be a 20mm equivalent with an aperture of f2.0, a versatile combo that works well for wide-angle scenes like landscapes, group shots, or vlogging. The added bonus, some natural background blur that gives a more professional aesthetic. Slow motion, reimagined, 4K at 240 fps. Of the standout upgrades might be the Pocket 4's support for ultra-slow motion recording, with potential support for 4K at up to 240 frames per second. This compact device could become a game-changer for anyone shooting sports, action sequences, or cinematic B-roll. Slow motion is more than just a stylistic gimmick, it's a way to invite viewers into moments too fast for the naked eye. With this high frame rate, creators can dissect motion with incredible precision. Whether it's water splashing against rocks, a skateboard trick in midair, or the flapping of a bird's wings. When paired with the larger sensor and better image processing, these slow-motion clips are expected to retain sharpness, color, and light far better than previous models. Next-level focus. Smarter, faster, more reliable. One of the few gripes users had with earlier Pocket models was the sometimes inconsistent autofocus. This time, DJI is reportedly addressing that shortfall with phase detection, autofocus PDAF, and eye tracking technology. This combination means the Pocket 4 will be better at locking onto and tracking subjects, whether they're stationary or in motion, from vloggers who walk and talk, to filmmakers capturing dancers, athletes, or pets. The camera should now stay focused where it matters most. Imagine turning your head mid-shot or momentarily being obscured by a crowd. If the system is as advanced as hinted, it should reacquire and adjust focus nearly instantaneously. Active Track 7.0. A smarter way to follow the action tracking technology is something DJI has been steadily refining for years, and it seems the Pocket 4 will benefit from what may be the next evolution. Active Track 7.0. This version could harness machine learning and deep subject analysis to not only follow a face or body but anticipate motion based on behavior. Think of it like predictive tracking. If someone jumps or runs off frame, the Pocket 4 might intuitively pan in the right direction, keeping your subject in focus with near-human accuracy. Stabilization like never before. If there's one thing the Pocket series has always nailed, it's stabilization. The mechanical 3-axis gimbal gives creators buttery smooth footage in virtually any situation. With the Pocket 4, DJI may be combining that gimbal with electronic image stabilization eyes. To offer a hybrid system, this means extra insurance against microjitters or Shikai deal for creators who shoot on the move. Walking upstairs, cycling down a bumpy trail, or even filming handheld in a moving vehicle should all result in cinematic footage with minimal shake. Colors that speak. Emotion, 10-bit HDR, and D-Log M color science is critical for any camera worth its salt, and DJI seems to be going all in here too. The Pocket 4 is expected to support 10-bit color and HDR video, giving users a richer palette and more control in post-production. With support for D-Log M, creators will have access to a flatter color profile that retains more data in shadows and highlights. This makes it easier to achieve that cinematic look during editing. For filmmakers and colorists, this could be a huge advantage. While even beginners can benefit from footage that naturally looks more vibrant and nuanced, a more powerful brain. The new processor to drive all these features: high frame rates, smart autofocus, 10-bit HDR. DJI needs a powerful processing unit. The Pocket 4 will likely include a brand new chipset, purpose-built for real-time video processing. This could enable several performance boosts: real-time HDR previews, enhanced sharpness and clarity, faster autofocus response, better noise reduction in low light, more accurate color grading previews. Such processing power also means faster startup times, minimal lag, and a smoother overall experience when navigating menus, switching modes, or reviewing footage. Thermal management and battery upgrades. Filming in high resolution can generate a lot of heat, especially in a compact body. Previous versions of the Pocket struggled with this, often shutting down to prevent damage during extended sessions. To address this, DJI may be redesigning the Pocket 4's internal layout to include better thermal distribution, a larger heat sink, and more intelligent cooling solutions. If successful, users could shoot for longer durations of in 4000 without overheating issues. Battery life is also expected to improve, potentially offering more recording time per charge. The camera may also support rapid charging via a USB CPD charger, reaching a full charge in around 25 minutes, a noticeable improvement over earlier models. A creator-first package, accessories and composed standard model is likely to offer everything a solo creator would need to hit the ground running. However, for those seeking a more enhanced setup, a creator combo may be offered, bundling and essentials like an external microphone for clearer audio, a wireless remote, or tripod mounting hardware. Wind muffs for outdoor shoots. Such a bundle makes the Pocket for an attractive choice for vlog filmmakers and travel content creators who want a ready-to-go kit without the hassle of sourcing third-party gear. Price point and release window, though nothing is set in stone. Speculation places the Pocket 4's launch around late 2026 or early 2027. This aligns with DJI's historical cadence between Pocket releases, typically spaced out by 2 to 3 years. As for pricing, the base model is rumored to start around $699, while the fully loaded creator combo could reach $799 or slightly higher depending on included accessories. While this price might be steeper than the Pocket 3's entry point, the improvements in hardware, software, and overall user experience appear to justify the increase. The verdict: should you wait? If you're someone who tells stories through video, whether as a professional or a passionate hobbyist, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most well-rounded, future-ready compact cameras to hit the market. Its improvements aren't marginal, they're meaningful. From the upgraded sensor and smart tracking to high frame rate slow-mo and vibrant 10-bit color, it feels like DJI listened to its users and addressed nearly every shortcoming while pushing innovation forward. Of course, if you need a camera immediately, the Pocket 3 remains a solid option. It delivers excellent footage in a tiny package and continues to outperform many smartphones and action cameras in stabilization and ease of use. But if you can hold off for the next chapter, the Pocket 4 promises to be well worth the wait.